Today we are talking about Garadi Ella. Garadi Ella is a beautiful and renowned waterfall located in Sri Lanka, a tropical island nation in South Asia. The waterfall is located in the Kandy district. The nearest village is Kalugala and the nearest town is Ududumbara, which is known for its lush greenery, scenic landscapes, and abundant natural beauty. Garadi Ella is a popular tourist attraction in the region and offers a refreshing escape into nature. Here's an introduction to Garadi Ella, highlighting its key features and significance. The waterfall is known for its impressive height, cascading down from a considerable elevation. The area around Garadi Ella is incredibly scenic, characterized by lush greenery, tea plantations, and serene atmosphere. The total height of all the waterfalls is 240 to 250 meters. Visitors can reach Garadi Ella by taking a short trek through the forest. This is another mesmerizing point that we reach on our adventurous journey to Garadi Ella. Garadi Ella provides an excellent backdrop for photographers and nature lovers. The climate in the region can vary with cooler temperatures in the higher altitudes. It's advisable to check the weather conditions before planning a visit to Garadi Ella. We can witness a wonderful view of the morning sunrise from the top of Garadi Ella mountain. This is one of the greatest beauties in the Central Highlands. It is our responsibility to protect these marvelous gifts given to us by Mother Nature.